Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. We are at Lucid Motors for our 10th visit, doing a perimeter flyover of the factory and the construction site. We're still doing the perimeter video until we hash out an agreement with Lucid. We're going back and forth trying to hash out some sort of agreement, and nothing yet. Today's weather was as horrible as it was yesterday. Rain, thunderstorms, lightning strikes, high winds over the weekend. You can see the Lucid employees are hard at work as the parking lot is full of cars. We did notice some cars coming in and some going out. Implication on this might be that there's more than one shift of workers trying to get that Lucid air out. Time of this flight was about 8 a.m. The weather was worse yesterday, and you can see all the water at the site. This is basically a giant mud pit, a couple hundred square acres of mud. Trying to do any type of grading is just not going to be realistic. I'm doubtful that they'll be out there tomorrow, but it is possible, and obviously not my call to make. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button. Please check us out on Twitter at Bear's Workshop. If you want to help support the channel, please check out our Patreon link down below in the description. We appreciate all the patrons that have supported us, and we would like you to join. Now, let's go fly.